Hello, Ma'am Mel. Hello, Ma'am Melvin. Good morning. Hello, BP2B. Good morning. My name is Patrick Siasis. The topic is Bills of Right in summarizing. So, the Article 3 Bills of Right in the 1987 Philippines Constitution guarantees fundamental right, freedom to all citizens. So, tanan ini siya. So, tanan kita may makabenepisyo. So, such a due process, equal protection, privacy, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of religion. So may mo freedom to choice kung hay ko na church, and right to travel. So right nimo mo travel ka sa lain na nasod pag once may mo lang passport. So and then right to information. So right nimo mangutana sa tao na kung unay mga ganap. So may itong mga rights, so makabenepisyo ko din. So right to form association, so right to property. So you know na kung ano mga right diya sa imo. So right to legal assistance, right to accused, and prohibition against cruel and punishment, double jeopardy, ex post facto laws and bills of attainder. So that mga rights sa bills of right is summarizing na sa binisiya. So I know na nadamo pan mga right na ato mga benepisyo. So summarizing na sa binisiya. So this right have tangible implication for public administration in the Philippines, guiding government official to act with transparency, fairness, and accountability, ensuring the protection of individual rights and rule of law, understanding the Constitution, particularly the Bills of Rights, is crucial for future public servants as enable them to act with integrity, promote good governance, protect citizenship right and contribute to just and equitable society based on freedom, equality, and human dignity.